Good morning, Key Stage 1. So this morning we are going to be doing some English. Now I know yesterday you were thinking about jobs that animal keepers do. So we're going to be looking at those jobs a little bit later in the week. Before we do that, we're going to be looking at something called imperative verbs today. That's a big word and we're going to find out this lesson what that means. So you might have noticed these in your home learning packs. So year 1 will only have one of these sheets of paper. Year 2 children, you should have all of these in your home learning pack, so you don't have to do all of them, but I'd like you to have a go at least one of those if you're in year 2, okay? So we're going to be looking at what imperative verbs are today. So an imperative verb is a bossy word. It's a word that can tell somebody what to do. So we're going to need those when we're going to be writing some instructions later in the week. So an imperative verb, it could be put on your coat. It could be turn the tap on. It could be tie your shoelaces. It could be chop up the carrots. It could be shut the door. It could be spread the butter on the bread. It could be pull the door open. It could be pour the milk into the glass. So all of those words are imperative verbs. They are all bossy words. They are all telling you what to do. So there's lots and lots of imperative verbs, lots of bossy words, not just those ones on the screen. I wonder if you can think of any different ones. Okay. So I'm going to give you a little task. So we know an imperative verb is a bossy word. It tells somebody what to do. So have a look at the words on the screen now. Some of these words are imperative verbs and some of them aren't. So remember, a verb is a word, a doing word. It tells you what somebody's doing. So an imperative verb is a bossy word. It tells somebody what to do. So have a look. Which of these words are bossy words? Okay, so let's have a look at the answers. So well done if you spotted the word close. So close the door. That's a bossy word. It's telling somebody what to do. Eat your dinner. Mix the cake mixture. Cut up the sandwich. Crack the eggs. So all of those words can give an instruction. They can tell somebody what to do. The other words, cat, well, the word cat is a noun. It's the name of an object, the name of a thing. The same as box. It's a noun. It's the name of an object. And the same as playground. That's another noun. It's a name of something. Those three words aren't giving anybody an instruction. They aren't being bossy. Okay, so the only bossy words there, the only imperative verbs we had were close, eat, mix, cut and crack. So well done if you spotted those. Okay, so back to today's task then. So year 1 children, in your home learning packs, you had this first sheet here. So this is the task I'd like you to have a go at now. So the first question asks you to read these words and decide which one is an imperative verb, which one is telling you something that you can do, and some words there aren't imperative verbs. They're not bossy. So just colour in the ones that are bossy, then see if you can fill in the sentences with some bossy words, and then have a think about any instructions where you might need to use imperative verbs to tell somebody what to do. You could write a few down in your English book, that would be lovely. And then years 2, you have got these other ones as well, so you can choose which one of these you have a go at. So there's one where you need to pretend there's a little alien come to visit you and see if you can give him some instructions using some imperative verbs, some bossy words about how to make a sandwich. Or there's this recipe about how to make an omelette. So first of all, you've got to add these imperative verbs into the sentences, add those bossy words in, and then see if you can put them in the right order. So good luck. I can't wait to see some of your photographs. Bye everybody.